Been able to gather while we've been looking at all of the reporting coming in from this incredibly scary situation. There are photos out there showing Trump's face close up. He did have blood on his face after this took place. We also saw, if you looked closely, right when those pops started happening, he immediately reached for his ear. He immediately reached for the ear. He went down, Secret Service tackling him, jumping on top of him, protecting him, and then he came back up, and that's the same side of his face where there appeared to be blood. And obviously Trump at that time was holding onto that side of his face, eventually giving a fist to the crowd as he was whisked away by the Secret Service. The Associated Press says that his motorcade has left the venue. His condition is not immediately known.